All right, the next part of the lesson, it's asking us to graph the inverse of the given function. So we don't need to find the equation for it. So again, when we're finding inverses from a graph, we can just identify the key points on our graph, flip those around, and then graph our new shape. So I'm going to start by identifying the points on our graph. So I'm just going to call this point A and point B. So A is at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then point B is at negative 1, 2, 3, and then 0. Okay. So the inverse, again, we would just flip it around. So I'm going to call it A prime for inverse. So that would be at 4, 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. So here's my A prime. And then B prime is going to be at 0, negative 3. So 1, 2, 3. So here's my B prime. And then we would just connect those together. All right, same thing with 7. So I'm just going to start by identifying the key points on this graph. So let's just call the vertex. So I'm going to use V for vertex. So that is at 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2, 4. And if we have point A, so that's at 0, 0. And point B is at 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, 0. Sorry, it's a little hard to read here. Let me zoom in. Okay, so now our A prime, I'm going to write off to the side here. So A prime has to be at 0, 0, so we're just flipping it around. B prime is going to be at 0, 4, and then our vertex prime is going to be at 4, 2. All right, so we're going to have that 0, 0 again, so this is also A prime. And then 0, 4, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here's the B prime. And then the vertex 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So vertex prime is right there. So, and we have to connect it into that sideways U. So what's going to happen is our U shape is going to actually open to the left. So it's going to look something like this. So it's a little confusing. And again, when this is done on nice graph paper, it'll look a little bit neater. But that's how you would find the inverse if you are just given the graph.